Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you want to learn how to disable your auto dispensers on your Samsung all-in-one laundry combo, click the four little dots in the bottom left-hand corner, click on the washer tab, and then go to the auto dispenser setting. From here, you're going to scroll up and disable either one of the auto dispensers. From there, both of them should disable. If they don't, click the other one to disable it. Now you can go back and you can use pods or whatever else you've decided to use. Now, if you just want to disable it for one cycle, you can click on any one of those cycles, and in the bottom left-hand corner, click that button, click the off setting. I'm going to show you that right now because when both of the dispensers off, that setting is automatically set to off. So what we're going to do here, we're going to turn it back on. We're going to turn on both of the auto dispensers. We're going to go back to normal, just the normal setting. We're going to click that button right there, just again. And you can see it's set to medium, and we can change it to off if you just want to turn it off for one specific cycle. Now, this is exactly how you would turn off the auto dispensers on your Samsung ventless all-in-one. So be sure to hit that like button for me, subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos just like this one. God bless you.